Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need immediate access to the Gmail address tied to your Facebook account, so open Gmail and confirm you can receive mail. Once done, go to Facebook's account recovery and enter your profile email. Facebook will send a code. Make sure you have your device and browser where you normally sign in. This proves ownership. If you remember a recent password and account creation details, jot them down now because Facebook asks for those to strengthen the recovery claim. You request the Facebook recovery code and then immediately check Gmail, search for messages from Facebook, and inspect spam, promotions, and all mail. Make sure no filters or forwarding rules are blocking or archiving the code. Sometimes a filter redirects messages. If the code does not arrive, try resending after a few minutes, and while waiting, enable Inbox Sync on your phone. If automated delivery keeps failing, use Facebook's identity verification flow and be prepared to upload an ID. This step proves ownership when email alone won't suffice. Once you enter the code, reset your Facebook password using a strong, unique phrase and immediately enable two-factor authentication. This prevents repeat takeovers. Then review active sessions and remove unknown devices, update your recovery email and phone in both Gmail and Facebook, and revoke suspicious app access. If recovery fails, audit Gmail security, remove suspicious forwarding or third-party access, change that password, and retry. If nothing works, use Facebook's help forms and include the details you gathered. Make sure to explain why Gmail ownership proves your identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.